Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable, it's unbelievable.
I made it.
Wow.
Nice pass, there, yes.
Look at this. All right, I better get going here. You're gonna look at the car.
Yeah, the car's fine. There's plenty of room.
Well, you think I can move it? Look at the snow on the car. Woo!
Watch out, Bob.
Can you clear this gate, Nudge? You gotta plow it so I can open and close it.
Gate close it.
No, it won't close. There.
Yeah, it'll close.
No, it won't. I need you to clear it. Get it all out of here. You gotta get all that in the corner away from the gate.
What's that?
You gotta take the plow and pull it back. Just come this way and just pull it back. You've got to pull it away from the gate.
Yeah, but that's not where you're coming from to get it back. This
Then
gate opens.
pull it back here then. I need the snow to be pulled away from the gate.
I'll make the gate easier to open and close.
You got to pull it all
I
away.
can't pull it all the way. Can't.
Yes, I did it. You can do it. Trust me. This is ridiculous.
This is.
Okay, look at this. Okay, I'm taking pictures here. Look at this.
Stay in the bed frame. I like it.
Woo!
Fabulous. Do you ride those the horses, Jane? Where do you ride them?
All over.
Do you have? I mean, just on your property?